Okay, if this is your first time watching any of my videos, please go watch another one. Is that bad to say? Probably. So we've moved out of the house that's about an hour away onto camp. In doing so, this piece, the top of it, the paint job got damaged. It wasn't selling anyway. I did this months ago, months before the summer even started. So we are going to make over this piece again. I'm not going to paint over the wood. I still really love it. We are going to change the handles out for something different, but we are going to paint. I'm going to scuff it up just a little, but we're going to paint directly over the top of it. That's what we're going to do. Going in with my hook and loop, I love this thing, and my 120 grit sandpaper. Found my colors, digging through my stash. I have a lot of DIY paints and Dixie Belle, and today I'm going to go with Dixie Belle. I'm going to do blending. So we're going to start with In the Navy. So I've done it, and I've seen lots of people just, do the blending and the thing, or the 3 colors blending, but I kind of like the abstract. I like abstract. I always have. So I'm just gonna paint wherever. And I'm using Palmetto. Buttercream. Just painted my camera. Alright, so it looks really bad right now, but that's the base coat, and we'll see. I'll blend in tomorrow on the second coat where those colors touch. All the big guns say that the base coat looks the worst, so hopefully it's only up from here. I don't know that it's gonna work because the drawers are still wood stain, so it might not work. I might have to paint over the whole thing, but the way you get better at blending is by keep on blending. That's Aiden. Say hi.
Don't put me in your
Too late, you're in.
Wow.
Alright. Good night. I'll put a line of paint on my tray, on my paper plate. Okay, so now I'm dipping it in the green. I don't actually like the way that looks, so we're going to fix it a little. I'm still learning. So there's some parts on this that I want to fix. So we're going to do that this morning. And plus I was painting last night at like 2 a.m. because I couldn't sleep. So anyway. Okay, this video, if this is your first ever video of watching me, please go see another video. Is that bad to say? Probably. I think I was a bit stressed, not my perky little self. I think this was like early August or something that I repainted this after we moved from the other house. But this is reality too, right? We have great days, we have some not so great days, we have days where we try some new things out and they work or they don't work. What ended up happening is I wanted to go for blending. I had been seeing those things passing on my Pinterest page and Pinterest feed. Somebody's here to buy piece of furniture. I'll be right back. I don't know what I was saying. No, listen, I am still new to blending. I'm having fun doing it. I like blending. It just wasn't working on this piece. So the next shot after this is me putting wax on it after I've painted it a solid blue color. I thought after making you all watch me spend hours, I spent hours blending that piece, and then I stood back and I reached out to some friends on Instagram. I ended up painting it all blue in the Dixie Belle in the navy. It's gorgeous. A lady is coming to pick it up tomorrow. I'm so happy. There it is there at the back there. Let's get back into the video. Thank you to someone. You bought me 5 coffees the week of the 20th of September. The reason, in case anybody's wondering why I say someone, is because when you make a donation on the Buy Me a Coffee site, you can either leave your name or you leave it blank and then they fill it in with just someone. We do get emails, we know the name of the person. So that is why I say, I know who you are, you know who you are, and I appreciate you very much. And I do. I am very thankful for the 5 coffees that you bought me. I'm grateful. Thank you. changing the hardware on this as well. I took these off the black desk that I did recently. I got some rub and buff. Let's try gold leaf. Be like a pair of earrings on a dresser. Very pretty. So I decided to spray paint them after talking to my friend Trish over on Lilacs and Lou on Instagram. She is flipping awesome. When I originally did this months ago, back in the old house, it was a lot of work to sand back this veneer in the front. I had to be so careful, and it's rounded. I could not let myself touch it and paint over it. There was just no way. And so when I first started out with this guy, I had envisioned doing like a blending. I wanted to do that again, but it was not working. I posted a poll over on Instagram, and a couple of my friends reached out and were like, no. So it's one solid color. It is a beautiful deep dark blue. Reused some handles that I took off another piece, a desk that has already gone live, so you can check that out. I'll put the card at the end. Love these handles. I was having trouble getting the best of them, and my friend Trish over on Lilacs and Lou messaged me. I saw some pulls of hers. Go give her a follow on Instagram, you guys. Her work is stunning. She is such a beautiful soul. I love her to pieces. She used some spray paint, some gold spray paint, Rust-Oleum, and I loved it. So thank you, Trish, for that recommendation. And the piece is now stunning. I relisted it. It wasn't selling, right? So that's why I repainted it. And sometimes we have to do that. Things don't sell for whatever reason. I'm learning not to take it personally. I wasn't taking it personally, but I need to take an objective look at the piece and redo it. And I've redone it, and now it's, you know, before it was sort of rustic, farmhouse-ish style because I distressed it, but now it has a sophistication, that deep dark blue, and I've waxed it with the brown and these beautiful earrings or draw pulls. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the journey and that you enjoy the afters. If you haven't already and you've made it this far, please consider subscribing. That would be amazing. I would love to have you along on this journey. And comment below. I love talking with you guys that way and interacting with you guys that way. And I will see you on next week's flip. It is a sewing table. Bye, guys. I just want to say thank you. I am so grateful for you guys. I really am. Recently, I lost somebody back home in Australia, and I posted a really hard video. It was in the middle of making a video and I had to finish the video. And the support and love and just outpouring from you guys has been such a blessing and so phenomenal. And I've just fallen in love with you all. You guys are amazing. And I am so grateful and so thankful for you. And I just wanted to say to all those people, those beautiful souls, all of you, I'm thankful for your comments. And in particular, the people who reached out to me and said that they have lost loved ones as well. I just want you to know that I am thinking of you, that my heart goes out to you, and that I'm praying for you guys, and that there would be comfort and blessing, and that you would feel love and feel like you're not alone, because you're not alone. So anyway, I just wanted to say that. Love you guys so much. You don't even know how much of a blessing you have been to me, but you are. So I just wanted to make sure that I said that.